Welcome to AER-USA. What you're looking at is a 2-scale replica of a biogas digester, simulating a full-size 27 by 20 by 20-foot tank. This demonstration runs at a 7.3 to 1 scale and is powered by two 2-horsepower Rio mixers, just like the real thing. Take a look at the pieces of yarn placed throughout the tank, from the surface, through the middle, all the way to the floor. Notice how each one moves. Gently, consistently, continuously. That's not a coincidence. That's Rio. With Rio, you get 100% digestate movement, from top to bottom, left to right, eliminating crusting, sedimentation, and temperature layering. Your entire digester stays in motion, in balance, and on track for maximum biogas production. And here's the best part. Rio delivers this performance with low energy consumption and virtually zero downtime. If a mixer ever needs service, simply swap it out with your backup Rio. Call us at AER-USA and we'll freight the unit to us, handle the repairs, and send it back, ready to go and ready to work. This isn't just smart mixing. This is reliable digestion, built for long-term performance. This is Rio, the key to running a cleaner, more productive, and more efficient biogas system. Want to see what Rio can do for your operation? Call AER-USA. We'll show you the difference.